Ikinyaria IBC rikinyaneirio aura gicukiro kwihinga mihango ya thogori iyo. Afitha uyo gicukiro gukiruka watho hari thogori iyo ndu rio cungiririe thogori iyo guteanirio ni igoti hau kabere. Maratathi macio kaida-ini gaka magiriru ni gukorwo mari guku bururi-ini no nginyagia riu matiri maragorwo.
Ukweli ni kuwa tuliamuliwa na koti tuendelee na process, lakini haungerudia kuendelea process ambayo mshaambiwa imevunja sheria. Imechelewesha kwa sababu sisi kama tume tulikuwa tumepatiana ruhusa kwa procurement department, kwa secretariat yetu ianze kutafuta ballot papers tangu mwezi wa pili. Sasa ni mwezi wa 6 na bado hatuna ballot papers.
IBC kauga ni reassurania ya gukinyaniria thogori iyo imwe kwa imwe thutha wa kuiguana na anyiti itemi othe ciama-ini cia kiuteti. Mwihoko wa kamiti ino ari mihango ino kwambiriria gukinyanirio muthia-ini wa kiumia giki.
We have discussed various options for acquiring the ballot papers. I think I could say comfortably that we have the consensus from the political actors that we do not have the time to go through an entire open tender process. We do not have the time to go through also even a restricted tender process.
Gukinyera riu kamiti ino ya IBC rina mashini itanyihiire 35,000 cia kiriu ni iritanyitwo kwambiriria kugerio muthia-ini wa kiumia giki. Kiwatho mashini ici ciagiriru ni kugerio mieri 2 tu mbere ya githurano kinene.
For now we are preparing, we have all the KIMs ready, we have the result transmission system ready. We're looking at various options for how we're going to do it, how we're going to test that the technology works. We know that there might be challenges in the beginning because we're still putting all our structures together. You know, it's unfortunate that the law is so restrictive that it gives you timelines for every bit of thing that you need to do.
Na kamiti ino ni yambiririe kwamukira riboti ya kambuni ya KPMG ikoretwo igithurima register ikia aku na horire mihango ya Akenya guthurima kana mari register ini yo irathie na mbere. No muigana wa aria meyumiritie ni munini muno mihango ino tigaritie o thiku 3 tu.